And I'm even saying rubbish.
Yes. I'm not becoming a good boy. My father is telling me
Leave a letter talk.
Maybe I decided to turn a new leaf this year. My dream is to become
You are
best in
6
my
feet.
class. I want to be an A student. And they say, children, obey your try to pay your school fee.
Don't be deceived.
My father is busy. This song rhymes. I'm singing.
Continue. Yes. Leave a letter talk.
I know the lyrics. I invented a song.
It will be difficult
My father is proud of me. My father is proud of me because when I sang this song to my daddy, he said, "Oh, Eddie."
Are you ashamed of
I want to
yourself?
go and meet my father because I don't know what he said. Daddy.
Eddie, my son.
Yes, daddy. Daddy, I don't go make it come back. Daddy, this thing you even asked me that he said I should go and buy. Daddy, what is inside this bag?
My neighbor dress
Fertilizer.
Yes, now.
You can never see dwarf with a
What do you use
man.
fertilizers to do?
Fertilizer is very good.
This guy is
Make
stupid.
the crops grow very well.
Hey, daddy.
My beard
You
removed.
mean bigger and better.
Yes, now.
This thing makes
Go and treat your malaria.
bigger and
Better.
bigger and better.
Yes, my son.
Okay.
Handling
And you know, say your son is a very great thinker. Daddy, can I ask you something?
because
This one you say it
are
makes
just
things
a
bigger
noise
and
maker.
better. Does it mean that
Did I
it
give you visa?
can make my upstairs
My
room,
dear,
bigger and
go
better?
and get
So
your
can I
ticket.
like consume it to? I want to make you proud. I want to score A. Can you make it bigger and better? Daddy, this one you are standing up like this. Daddy, I hope.
I smile, but my smiling is too dangerous. Why are you